Hey everyone! Before we dive into the fascinating world of chameleons, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing wildlife content. Chameleons are some of the most unique and captivating creatures on our planet. Found primarily in Madagascar and parts of Africa, these remarkable reptiles have adapted to their environment in truly extraordinary ways. One of the most notable features of chameleons is their eyes. Unlike most animals, chameleons can move their eyes independently of each other. This gives them a full 360-degree view of their surroundings, making them exceptional hunters. And let's talk about that incredible tongue. A chameleon's tongue can be up to twice the length of its body and shoots out with incredible speed and accuracy to capture prey. It's a perfect example of nature's engineering. Chameleons are also famous for their color-changing ability. But did you know it's not just for camouflage? They change color to regulate their body temperature and communicate with other chameleons. The color changes are controlled by special cells called chromatophores that expand or contract to produce different colors. So, what's the role of chameleons in the ecosystem? These small but mighty reptiles play a crucial part in controlling insect populations. By preying on a variety of insects, they help maintain a balanced ecosystem. Without them, we could see a significant increase in pest populations. Furthermore, chameleons are prey for many larger animals. This makes them an integral part of the food web, supporting the health and diversity of their habitats. Chameleons are also important indicators of environmental health. Their sensitivity to changes in their environment means that they can signal the health of their ecosystems. When chameleon populations decline, it can be a sign of larger ecological issues. From their stunning adaptations to their vital role in the ecosystem, chameleons are truly remarkable creatures. They remind us of the intricate connections within nature and the importance of preserving these amazing animals and their habitats. Now, let's dive deeper into the different species of chameleons and their unique characteristics. There are over 200 species of chameleons, each with its own distinct features and behaviors. Take the panther chameleon, for instance. Native to Madagascar, these chameleons are known for their vivid colors, which can range from bright blues and greens to reds and oranges. Males are especially colorful, using their vibrant hues to attract mates and ward off rivals. Then there's the Jackson's chameleon, easily recognizable by the three horn-like protrusions on the males' heads. Found in East Africa, these chameleons use their horns in combat with other males, jousting for dominance and the right to mate. On the other end of the size spectrum, we have the pygmy chameleons. These tiny creatures, some only a few inches long, are masters of camouflage. They blend seamlessly into the leaf litter and underbrush, avoiding predators with their remarkable ability to change color and pattern. Chameleon reproduction is another fascinating aspect of their biology. Most chameleons lay eggs, which are buried in the ground. The incubation period can vary greatly, with some species' eggs hatching in just a few months, while others can take over a year. When the eggs finally hatch, the baby chameleons are fully independent, miniature versions of their parents. They must quickly adapt to their surroundings and start hunting for their own food. Another interesting fact is that chameleons are ectothermic, or cold-blooded. This means they rely on external sources to regulate their body temperature. You'll often find them basking in the sun to warm up or retreating to the shade to cool down. Unfortunately, chameleons face many threats in the wild. Habitat destruction, climate change, and the illegal pet trade are all significant pressures on chameleon populations. Deforestation, in particular, poses a major threat as it reduces the available habitat for these specialized animals. But there is hope. Conservation efforts are underway to protect chameleon habitats and prevent illegal trade. Organizations and researchers are working tirelessly to study these animals, raise awareness, and implement conservation strategies. You can also play a part in chameleon conservation. Supporting reputable conservation organizations, spreading awareness, and avoiding the purchase of wild-caught chameleons are all ways you can help ensure these incredible creatures continue to thrive. Chameleons are more than just colorful reptiles, they are vital components of their ecosystems and incredible examples of nature's ingenuity. By learning about and protecting them, we help preserve the rich biodiversity of our planet. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about chameleons, make sure to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing wildlife adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of nature.